Should I rearrange my room? It's absolutely disgusting. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Monday, March 24th. It is currently 10:54 and today I'm basically doing all the things that I need to do to reset, to get ready for the week, declutter, organize all my stuff. So actually I already went on a walk with my sisters and my mom and I already ate breakfast, so I've already gotten those things done. So that was on my list of things to do, was walk, eat, all that stuff, get ready. First things first, I need to wash my sheets, my bed sheets. I need to vacuum my room, wipe down my desk, my drawers, everything, wipe down all the surfaces, reorganize and declutter my clothes in my closet because it is just so messy right now and I just can't focus. And then basically get ready for the week. I've waited so long to tackle this and I kind of want to rearrange my room. Should I rearrange my room? Oh my gosh, you're no help. First drawer done. Yay! I already feel so much better. The next drawer is my camera equipment, and I think this one I'm gonna take a little bit more time on because I don't really know what I want out or what I want in, and I definitely need to get rid of some stuff, so I think I might switch the things that I want in are gonna come out. What? No, the things that are in right now I need to get rid of. So I think I'm gonna leave those ones out, but yeah. Okay, I actually decided that I'm not gonna do the last two drawers just because they're a little too, well, the second drawer is just basically all my camera equipment, and right now it's pretty organized and I just don't want to touch it. It's not dirty or anything, it's fine. The third drawer is just a little too many random stuff that I don't actually have anywhere else to put it, and it's not dirty in there, and I actually reorganized it a couple weeks ago, so that will be untouched. So the next thing is just to clean the drawers, and then I'm gonna tackle my clothes. And I don't know if I'm gonna declutter or if I'm just gonna organize them and fold them and make it look really nice. I might just do that. Yeah, I'm still deciding. I'm literally sweating so much. It is so hot in my room. Anyways, I just cleaned this and now I'm going through my drawers. I don't know how much I'm gonna film because I really need to get this stuff done. I actually really want to rearrange my room. I just don't know what I want to do and how I want to do it. I really want to get rid of these. I want another set of drawers because I just don't like seeing my clothes anymore or my shoes. So there's just, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just did my drawers, I folded them, and I got rid of some shirts that I literally have so many shirts, and it's not even funny. I'm gonna wipe down here because it's really dusty. Okay, I think we can kind of cross off this part of the room. I do just need to clean my mirror, but I don't want to record that. After that, I think I'm going to start arranging my room just because, once I have a thought, and I've, thought about it, I have to do it. I don't have to. I'm just being dramatic. I really want to now. I don't know. I think... Let's start with this one. Oh! Oh my gosh. Whoops. I think it just broke. Wait, I can't use it anymore. It literally just broke. What the frick? Well, I can't use this anymore because it legit just broke on me. Whoops. Or I broke it. I don't know. No, it definitely broke. Okay. So I don't know if you guys just saw that, but my closet just broke. And you remember when I was saying that I just wanted one closet? Well, the universe answered for me and said, okay, fine. Let me just break your other closet. But okay, now I'm gonna vacuum and then I'm gonna move my bed, rearrange all the stuff, and then yeah. Okay, let's rearrange this bad boy. I'm already so hot. Oh, ah. Okay, here's the tricky part. Myself, because I just wanted to. Alright.
Let him cook now.
Okay.
Let him cook.
This is not bad at all. This area is disgusting. I'm not going to show it, but it's absolutely disgusting. Here's what it kind of looks like right now. Okay, I have the option to put my drawer, y'all know what I'm talking about, the drawer that I cleaned before this drawer, right there, or kind of tucked away, hidden over here. I think if I hide it, I'm able to put more stuff, or it won't be as like cluttered over here. I really do want another one of these because I just have too many clothes that are hanging up that don't need to be hung up. So I'm still deciding. I don't know what I'm gonna do over here. Okay, so I'm pretty much done rearranging my room. I like it. It's different, and I like it because it's just a new change. And I definitely will start looking for like drapes for my window just so that it can block the sun during the summer. So I'm gonna look at that, look at Amazon, you know, kind of buy that stuff. But now it's just time to hit my desk, just clean up everything, organize, take things off so I can wipe it down, and then do a little bit more organization and kind of move some stuff around. I like my room right now, but I think I'm gonna kind of rearrange some stuff. But now I can actually watch my TV. Literally couldn't. As you can see, there's just a lot of stuff on here, a lot of unwanted stuff, a lot of things that just need to be put somewhere else. We're just gonna tackle that right now. Okay, I just have like a bunch of books that I need to read, so I think I'm gonna put it by my bed because I need to start reading these. Dude, these are amazing. What? So here's what we can cross off the list. Okay. Okay. Vacuum. Wipe down surfaces. Reorganize drawer and declutter. But now I guess we can cross off rearrange room. Done. So now that I have decluttered my clothes, now it's just everything that's outside, and I just need to put it in bags, and then I have to make note that I'm going to take pictures of everything, put it back in the bag, and then post them on Facebook Marketplace and Poshmark. I do need to add a couple things on the list. Clothes away, clothes and shoes, and then I need to organize my camera equipment drawer, and then I need to, what was the third thing that I need to do? Oh, I'm gonna search for drapes. I'm gonna search for drapes for my window. Drapes. And then there's just things that I need to do for work, for the week, and like on my computer. I do need to eat lunch though. I think I might take a little lunch break right now because I'm very hungry, low-key kind of tired, but this is a new list. Oh, and I still need to wash my sheets. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Wait, I actually love my room now. Good morning. I just woke up from a nap, and before that I actually ate lunch and played some banana grounds with my mom, and I was just so tired, so I just took a quick little nap. Just kidding, it was more like 2 hours. Right now I'm going to reorganize my camera equipment drawer, and I think I'm gonna switch some things around in here just because I think I'm able to fit. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna switch some things around in my new room, and then I have to wash my sheets. That was the first thing on the list, but I think the loads are done in the laundry, so I think I'm gonna start that right after I do the drawer. So I just finished organizing and putting stuff away in my equipment drawer, and I actually just ended up putting the 70 to 200 millimeter lens back in my backpack, this backpack, and then I just have to put it in there because I don't have any other room that I feel comfortable putting my lens in, because it was just on my desk. I was just like, I don't really want it there. So in the backpack is fine. So now it is time to do some of my computer work, organize stuff on my computer, kind of get ready for not only my work but also my prep for my vacation. I am leaving in almost a month. In 6 days it's going to be exactly a month before we go. And I don't know about you, but like, going out of the country is such a huge deal for me that like it will take me a month to even maybe more. I've been prepping since like I bought my ticket, which was back in February. I'm gonna start doing that, and while I'm doing that, I'm actually gonna put my sheets in the washer. I need to get started on that. After this, I need to get prepared for like my body, my hair. I need to get prepared for the week and the end of the month and all that stuff. So I just have a couple more things and then I'm finished. Currently 5:35. I got some time. I took a nap. I feel good. I feel well rested. I should be able to get this done pretty quick. It's not that much that I have to do on here anyways. Okay, I don't remember if I told you guys about how I wanted drapes. Okay. Oh, what? Okay, I guess they are called drapes, but I've never used drapes in my life. Like, I only know them as curtains, but the first thing that I thought of was drapes. I kind of got some stuff done, on my computer, but I think the bulk of what I want to do, I'm going to do tomorrow. I need to shower. I need to scrub. I need to do an everything shower. I just need to get in the shower. Other than that, I did pretty much everything that I wanted to do. I just hit myself. I think marking off is so satisfying and so rewarding. I like know I'm getting older because marking something off, like checking something off, I'm just like, yes. Okay, I need to do my sheets. I can't believe that was the first thing I needed to do and now it's the last. But hey, I'm doing it now. Also, I want to shower now because I don't know about you, but I love taking a shower when it's still sunny out. Like I don't have to turn the lights on, I don't have to do anything like that, and I just love having the sun beaming in my shower. Okay, I'm gonna shower. Wait, no. I'm gonna do my sheets and then I'm gonna shower. Okay, let's do that. Currently showered. I'm in my PJs. I feel so much better. I feel refreshed, but now I'm really hungry. I need to eat breakfast. Okay, breakfast. I need to eat dinner. Okay, I'm just gonna do my hair, eat dinner, and then get ready for tomorrow. I need to make my lunch, make breakfast, get my clothes out, finish my clothes, all that stuff. My sheets are finally done. It's time to put them on. Let's do that. There's definitely an easier way to do that.